Since 2017, more than 70 students from local universities have supported us in the floor worker program in physical logistics of BMW Plant San Luis Potosí. This program is executed by RHuman, a Mexican recruitment company, and PEM, a German consulting and spin-off company of the University of Aachen.
The 6-month flow worker program starts with the recruitment of students at universities. We provide them an intensive 8-week training in logistics and soft skills at the BMW Plant San Luis Potosí. Flow workers acquire a deeper understanding of BMW's logistics supply chain from dynamic training such as the material flow game and the layout board game. In addition, they gain knowledge from BMW's logistics processes and SIP systems.
After the acquisition of this knowledge, the implementation phase starts with an in-plant training. Like this, we want to assure a smooth transition from the theoretical to the practical part of the program. The flow workers are distributed into several areas. For example, the body in white, the assembly and the logistic technologies. There, they are the first contact for the logistics staff and help and support in the optimization of logistics-specific processes.
As a floor worker, I support BMW coordinators and logistics service providers with auditable topics on the shop floor by communicating deviations and following up with the statistics and reports.
I participate in shop floor meetings and projects within the whole logistic network.
The flow worker program has opened up many doors for students in San Luis Potosí. I, for one, started off my career with this program and am now working as part of the BMW Logistics Steering Team. It is a great opportunity to grow professionally by developing projects and demonstrating your skills while getting hands-on practical experience.
It has been really awesome to see how all of these guys have even rebuilt their personalities. Some of them, when they came to the program, were really shy. Now they are leading multicultural and cross-functional team meetings.
As a floor worker trainer, it's been interesting to see how they have improved themselves and also the way that they have incorporated all these experiences in the work environment.
When we decided to build up this all-new plant here in San Luis Potosí, Mexico, we were fully aware that qualification of our people and also our logistics service provider would be a crucial role for the success of this plant. So at an early stage we decided to have a project with the floor worker program together with PEM and RHuman, getting new students in here, getting them trained, getting them in the launch phase implemented to support the processes, and overall I can really say it was a great success.
This program gave me the insights into logistics from a premium automotive plant, where through competitive tasks I was able to improve my strengths and skills such as problem-solving techniques, communication and teamwork.
We would do the same again, and I'm proud to say that 38 or 40% of these students we have had in the program, we were able to give them a professional job here later on, either at BMW or at our logistics service providers.
We are very proud to accompany BMW and its suppliers during this exciting ramp-up with training more than 1,000 operators. Personally, what I'm even more happy about is that our students will continue in the flow worker project to further improve the process and operations here. What is always great to see is their personal and professional growth during this time and how they open the doors for their promising future careers. All of this shows that a creative and innovative mindset combined with a professional attitude can create outstanding results.